In the depths of the Aegean Sea, just off the rugged coast of Antikythera, Greek sponge divers stumbled upon a treasure that would shake the foundations of history. It was 1901, and hidden among a trove of marble statues and gold coins lay something truly extraordinary, a corroded lump encrusted with centuries of marine life that would soon reveal itself to be the world's oldest analog computer. This was not just a relic. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, a device with more gears than a Swiss watch, designed to map the heavens, track the movements of planets, and predict eclipses with a precision that should have been impossible for its time. The mechanism's discovery was only the beginning of the mystery. As archaeologists pried open the ancient shipwreck's secrets, they found a wooden case housing at least 37 intricately cut bronze gears, each meshing with the next in a dance of mathematical perfection. The device was built between 150 and 100 BCE, yet its mechanical sophistication would not be seen again until the age of medieval astronomical clocks, over 1,000 years later. How could the ancient Greeks have engineered such a marvel? The truth behind its origins has been hidden for thousands of years. X-ray scans and painstaking reconstructions revealed the mechanism's astounding capabilities. Inscribed dials and cryptic Greek letters detailed functions that bordered on the miraculous. It could calculate the positions of the sun, the moon, and all known planets decades into the future. Even more astonishing, the mechanism predicted solar and lunar eclipses using cycles so precise they matched the Metonic cycle, 19 years, and the Callippic cycle, a staggering 76 years. These were not mere guesses. The Antikythera Mechanism's predictions rivaled the accuracy of modern computers. Mainstream historians were forced to reconsider everything they thought they knew about ancient technology. But the mystery only deepened. How did these ancient engineers achieve such breathtaking accuracy, using nothing but hand tools and bronze? The gears, some with as many as 223 finely cut teeth, were crafted to tolerances that defy explanation, even by today's standards. The device's complexity suggests knowledge of advanced mathematics, astronomy, and metallurgy, skills supposedly lost to the Dark Ages. Were the Greeks the true inventors of precision engineering, or does the Antikythera Mechanism point to an even older, forgotten lineage of technological mastery? The inscriptions found within the mechanism hint at a sophisticated understanding of cosmic cycles, eclipses, and planetary movements. Yet there are no surviving texts that describe the construction or theory behind such devices. Was the Antikythera Mechanism a lone creation, crafted by a secretive guild of philosophers and artisans? Or was it merely the tip of the iceberg, evidence of a lost tradition of mechanical genius? With only one known example ever discovered, the questions swirl like the waters that concealed it for centuries. What archaeologists discovered next will shock you. Fragments recovered from the shipwreck suggest the mechanism was part of a larger cargo, possibly headed to a wealthy patron, or perhaps to be displayed in a temple as proof of divine knowledge. The ship's mysterious sinking and the absence of similar devices in the historical record hint at a dramatic loss, an entire branch of science and engineering erased in a single catastrophe. The academic world has struggled to explain away the Antikythera Mechanism. Some claim it was a one-off curiosity, an isolated genius at work. Others whisper that many more such devices once existed, their secrets buried by war, disaster, or deliberate suppression. The truth remains elusive, locked behind centuries of silence. If the Greeks could build such machines 2,100 years ago, what else did they know? Was this the work of a civilization whose achievements rivaled the legends of Atlantis? Could there be more lost mechanisms waiting to be discovered, hidden beneath layers of history and myth? The answers lie in the shadows of the ancient world, where forbidden knowledge and forgotten technology wait to be revealed. This changes everything we thought we knew about human history. What will we uncover next?